Hey, it's Jay Green with GW Private Capital in Whittier. We're a private hard money lender located in Whittier, and I just wanted to share with you a loan that I recently put together for a property owner who has a house in Baldwin Park, and he lives up north in Northern California. His property is going to foreclosure on Tuesday next week. Today is Wednesday, and today I wired in $84,000 to my escrow company, and tonight, actually right now, the borrower is signing loan documents for the $84,000 so I can get the property out of foreclosure, and I'm setting aside $34,000 for repairs, and then I'm gonna pay for 4 months of mortgage payments for the property owner. I'm gonna pay my loan 4 months in advance, and I'm going behind a $350,000 first mortgage on a property that's hopefully going to sell a little bit over $500,000. So anyways, I'm saving this property from foreclosure. I'm going to fix up his property. I'm going to make payments on his first mortgage. I'm basically really doing this homeowner a big favor. Yes, I'm being paid for it, but no payments to the homeowner. The realtor, the homeowner are very happy. And this is where my skill set and years of private lending and construction management and real estate experience comes in handy. So if you need a private hard money loan, first mortgages, second mortgages, even third mortgages for situations like this, I lend throughout most of California, very comfortable lending in Southern California, but I can go up into Northern California. So give me a call. Jay Green, GW Private Capital in Whittier, 714-747-1912.